SAT examination has now gone digital, and now the paper pattern would be the routing module, module A and module B. Now in the routing module, if you secure less than 19 correct, then you would be directed towards the module A, which is relatively simpler, and then if you do well in the routing module, you would be directed to module B. So that is how the pattern goes on. Now for your mathematics as well as reading writing, so there are two sections, English and mathematics, that you have to attempt in your SAT examination. So for your mathematics as well as your reading writing, you would have the set of questions which is given there. Now each module has 27 questions which are here. Now there are 15 tests. In every test, if you go through, the first test is the routing test, followed by the second, which is the module A, third, which is the module B. The same would apply for all the 5. So in all there are 5 tests, you can simply say, with reading writing, and we have 2 tests which are now available for your mathematics, which includes the routing, module A and module B in totality. So you can practice as much as you can, and in mathematics you would have the MCQ as well as the numeric kind of questions. You can practice both kind of questions which are available here. The questions for reading and writing are devised as per the standard convention in English pattern. So you can actually go through and check the questions here. So you can simply click the sample test. Once you go on to the sample test, you click start test. For every test you would be able to see 2 questions for free. So you would be just a second, you go on to the sample test. Okay, you click start test. Now once you click your start test, there are 2 questions that you would be able to see for free. So this is a question which talks about completing the text. The second question is again regarding the same. Now the words and the choices have been given here. Now if you want to go for the complete test with 27 questions and see your performance, you would be able to, have to subscribe to it, and once you subscribe, you would be able to go through not only the questions but see the questions and the explanations, and you can attempt it multiple times. You can see the prior marks and analysis in the same section. So that's what you have for now. So prepare well, study well, and in case you have any questions and queries, feel free to reach on the number below. Thanks for joining in.